Hi guys, today we learn about how to fix if Never Map app is not working, not opening on your Android phone. It may be lagging, freezing. So how to fix this issue? So let's start. Now, first of all, open settings. Now here you search simply apps. Now here's the all app that is installed on my mobile. So simply search Never Map. Now open Never Map. Here is click storage. Now here is you need to clear data, clear cache. Both are clear. Now just restart your mobile. After restarting your mobile, Never Map app is working properly on your Android phone. If still it is not working, then you need to uninstall the Never Map app and install the latest version on Play Store. So this is how you can solve your problem if Never Map app is not working, not opening on your Android phone. Thanks for watching.